Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. My name is Tess and today we're going to be looking at HTML. HTML is used for web development and is a common starting point for people who want to get into coding. This is the page we're going to be creating today, and obviously you can make whatever page you want. I just decided to make a dinosaur page with a dinosaur image because I love dinosaurs. So we're going to go through the HTML step by step to see how to make it. So firstly, when we're making HTML code, we have to declare the document type as a HTML document. And next, we put in these HTML tags, they're called. Anything with these triangular brackets are called tags. And this backslash, this slash, means that this is a closing tag. So this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. And when we just run this file, we just have a blank HTML page. So our content will go in the middle of these two HTML tags. If we look back at what our aim is, first we have this heading. And so to make a heading, we use tag. H1 stands for heading 1, which means the most important heading. But you also get H2, H3, H4 to 6. And so our heading was called dinosaur page. And then remember to close the heading tag. And if we save that and run it, you can see we now have a heading. So next on our page we have this image. So when you want to add an image, if this is your first time, save the image to the same folder that you've saved your file. It'll save a lot of hassle. So to put your image in, you want to do img src, which stands for image source, and then the name of your image, including the file extension. Let's save that and see if that worked. There we go. Now we're almost done. Last thing we want to put in is hello world. Because when you're starting out in any new coding or programming language, the first conventional thing to do is to write hello world. So let's do that. To write text in HTML, we usually use the paragraph tag. That's what the P stands for. Remembering to close your tag. Save it. And run it. And there we have it, hello world at the bottom. Now you can see we've made our page. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, check out our LinkedIn page, and thanks again for watching.